It's Friday. Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing great. It's about 5:48, and I just got through with my mile. Hi to everybody out there. Last night, middle school went to community, and we played football, and we showed up and showed out, and took the victory, and it was a big night, and I lost my voice, and it was amazing. And we got home late, and I'd already made up my mind on the way home. I wasn't getting up at 5 this morning. I couldn't do it. I wasn't going to do it. And one of my cheerleaders said, "Miss Farr, it's Good Friday. You shouldn't do it." And I thought, you're right. It is Good Friday. Every Friday's good. But yeah, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to sleep in, and I'll go Saturday. And then another cheerleader said, "No, Miss Farr, you've got to do it. Determination," or did she say dedication? Some kind of Asian. You've got to do it, Miss Farr. So, this morning, then I got home and I saw Virgie and Allison were rocking it. I love you, girls. Y'all did a great job. And I started thinking about all the millions of fans that I have that have contacted me. Well, I'm sure you're going to contact me. And it inspired me, and I thought, I can't let those girls down. I got to do it. So this morning I got up, came down here at 5, walked my mile, and got to thinking, and while I was thinking, I got to walking. And before I realized it, I was walking faster than I've ever meant to. Didn't get above a 3, no. No, big girl don't get above 3. 3, no. So I got to 2.9 and I walked, and I got my mile in 23 minutes and 32 seconds. It's my second fastest time. But now I'm thinking, people talk about how parts of their body hurt, so there must be a storm coming. Well, according to my knees and my hip and my feet, a hurricane is definitely coming into our area, so you probably should take shelter like now, because I'm hurting all over. I'm thinking some water. I'm going to go home, fix a glass of water, and I'm probably going to eat 2 or 3 biscuits with chocolate gravy this morning to wash the water down, So I hope y'all have a great Friday, and see y'all later.